Hello guys, welcome back to Kirtana Cooks. Today in our kitchen we are going to see one of the most popular paneer dish, which is Kadai Paneer. For this recipe we are going to grind a Kadai Masala using fresh spices. This Kadai Masala is going to be the superhero of this dish as it brings a beautiful flavor. It imparts this depthness and a beautiful flavor to the dish. Now without further ado, let's get started. To start with the recipe, first let's make the Kadai Masala. To a hot pan I'm adding around 3 dry red chilies, adding around 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon, adding around 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. Let's dry roast this Kadai Masala. Once it turns a little bit golden, let's grind this to a fine powder. This Kadai Masala is the hero of this dish, so make sure you dry roast it until it turns nice and golden. Our Kadai Masala is now ready. Now to prepare this dish, adding in around 2 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan and around 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's cook the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell disappears. Now to this we are going to add around 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This Kashmiri chili powder gives a very nice color to the dish. Whenever you add chili powder to the oil, it gives a nice color to the dish. Make sure your flame is really low when you're adding chili powder to the oil, or it might give a burnt taste. Now adding in around 1 cup of tomato paste. I have taken 3 large tomatoes and grinded into a smooth paste. Let's give it up a quick mix. Now the key to get a restaurant style gravy is that you need to cook until the oil is released. So we need to cook this at least for 6 to 7 minutes until the oil is completely released and it looks almost like a pickle. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for 8 minutes until it turns nice and thick and the oil has oozed out. This looks like a perfect consistency. Now let's start adding the rest of the ingredients. Adding in the required amount of salt for this dish. Once I add the salt, I'm going to add some kasuri methi. I have crushed it already, adding it to the dish now. Adding in the ground Kadai Masala. We can add all the Kadai Masala that we have grinded. We are not going to add any other masalas for this dish, because the Kadai Masala gives a nice depth of flavor to this dish, and that alone is very sufficient for this dish. Let's give it up a quick mix, and if you want it to be really spicy, you can add around 2 to 3 green chilies, adding in around 1/4 cup of cubed capsicum and 1/4 cup of cubed bell peppers and 1/4 cup of cubed onions. I have around 200 grams of paneer here, adding in the paneer. Let's add around half cup of water. Let's mix it nicely. To make a perfect Dhaba-Style Kadai Masala, there is one secret ingredient here. We need to add around 1 or 2 teaspoons of gram flour to the dish to thicken it up. You can also mix the gram flour in water and add it. Here I have kept the flame really low and I'm adding the gram flour so that it's nicely mixed with the dish. Now our gram flour is nicely melted and mixed with the dish. Our dish almost looks perfect. Let's cover this and cook it for another 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, it looks so gorgeous. All the oil has oozed out and our restaurant style Kadai Masala is almost ready. This dish was so delicious, and it's definitely a must try recipe. Look at the consistency of the gravy. It looks so perfect and beautiful. The key is to cook for a longer time so that you achieve the desired consistency. This is a perfect side dish for some butter naan or some hot chapatis with some ghee. Definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section if this worked out for you. If you like my recipes, kindly show some love and subscribe to my channel Kirtana Cooks. See you soon in another video.